Guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be going to Killarney. We're here by Killarney, guys. How you feeling, Brody? It's your first time, no?
Yeah.
At the track. Ooh. Oh. Oh, why do I feel so funny here? Because I haven't been here in a long time. We're gonna go check out the cars first. You see, I can see already the FN2 standing. Two red ones. See, that's the color wheel I want to get for the Honda. You see that? I don't know what's it called, bronze or something. What is that? I've never seen it. They look like a...
What does it?
That Honda there.
Oh. This is a race.
I think you only park if the race. Yo, it's actually cold, but it's fine. See the Honda, one of the days I'm gonna bring the car here when it's done. Oh, see, here's a Subaru. A Subaru chat. It's a thingy for the 360 camera. I want to get me such a thing one of the days.
Such a what?
A RS3.
Oh, car.
It's nice.
I know.
Ooh. See, there's that the blue T37. There's a S3. Good there. There's a lot of GTIs and stuff. Look here, ST. Yo, it's almost cold. Oh my word. That's a Mustang, no? I don't know. Clean. With the stack out. Yay. Oh, what is this? This thing is, look, it's left-hand drive. Gauteng number plate. What is this? What logo is that? I have no idea what this car is.
Yo.
It's probably some quite everyone knows these. I just don't know what it is. I think I'm gonna go check out the racing now. If I don't freeze, we're gonna go check out the cars now racing. See there, nobody's coming down the road. Nobody's gonna knock me dead.
Daily drive with its lighting and green.
Lexus. It's really not like a new iPhone or a telephone. Because I mean, I'm zooming there and look at Your light, you it's crazy. Oh, ini is bus. What happened? Whoosh! Shit, there's a fire. Where's everybody? I know I must be watching there. Yeah, it's a nice, the sign here at the back. What? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna lie, I might be speed. Bye, speed. Yo, it's a crazy one. Yeah. Guess it's time for us to leave, no? Let's go, guys. It's time for us to leave.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. 5 people on the list.
There's a wiper still. Cancer winners. Yeah, guys, it was fun, you know. But next time I'm coming to Killarney, I'm gonna be coming with the Honda, obviously. So you know I can, I can take everybody's stuck. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.